So, good morning, everybody. It's 11 a.m. and we are about to start. Let all the people join first. Yes, chat section is enabled for you guys. Come on. If you have, if I'm audible, just let me know inside the chat section. Yes, audible. Good morning. Good morning. Guys, this is our last session since we have learned so many visuals. Now it is time to create a dashboard using these visuals, and I have shown you one dashboard basically on my screen. The kind of dashboard we are going to create today itself. So yes, good morning to all of you guys. So Subhankar Daji, good morning. Prashant ji, good morning. Guru ji, good morning. Prashant Kumar, Saurabh, Ernie ji, good morning. Then Priyanka ji, good morning. Audible and good morning. Yes. So Vinayak ji, good morning. Subhendu ji, good morning. Pavitra ji, good morning. Thank you very much for joining, guys. Let all the people join. We'll start within 2 to 3 minutes. We'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Uh, Amir Qureshi, I'm audible to everyone, but check from your end. I'll chat here. Check from your end. Check from your end. Because, okay. Shekhar, good morning. Now, let me ask the same things. Just give me 1 second, Subhankarji. Give me 1 second. Why these things happen, I don't know. Subhankarji playlist is updated. Just check, go through it again. Let me show you on directly on YouTube. Yes. See, all the videos are uploaded up to day 21, day 2022. Sorry, day 2022. Okay. So go ahead and check it right now, playlist, Subhankarji. You maybe not check the properly. That's why. This one was the yesterday's lecture. Okay. So now I request to all of you guys, if you want to practice along with me, just download the file that I have provided you, which is inside our old location. And I have added one more project folder inside there. So just go and copy this. Let me show you. Download this, I mean to say. Let me give this another link to you directly. So you can download this particular files from this download all the files, whatever the files is available from here. You can download it. Data. This is the data that I'm providing. Then icons, and then mobile sales. We just need, I think so, this one only. This one, mobile sales dashboard, that is enough. And in icons, we need only 1 or 2 icons, but download all these. I've provided the link, just download before we start. And we are going to start within a minute. Okay. So yeah, good morning to all of you guys again. And Subir Daji, what you're saying? Have a nice day. Last. Yes, definitely. I'll be keep in touch. Subir Daji, don't worry about it. Sri Lanka ji, good morning, good afternoon. What you are? Yes, it's still morning, but Sonal ji, good morning. Thank you very much for joining. I just provided the practice link. If you want to practice along with me, you can download it right now. Those who join late, I'm providing it again to you guys. Here it is link again. Just go through it. Okay, now it's time to start. And let me tell you what we are going to learn today. In our today's 2 hour session, we are going to create an interactive dashboard like this. So that's why I'm going to conduct this last session for 2 hours because it is not just for 30 minutes or 20 minutes dashboard. We need to spend, we need to analyze, we need to think about that how we can apply the proper color and everything in a proper way. Of course, in that session, I'm going to tell you how to publish your report on Power BI services also. Today itself, I'm going to show you because this is in a PowerPoint presentation now, and this is completely interactive. Look over here. If I click on any one visual, this is in a PowerPoint presentation, right? It is in a PPT and still it is interactive. Look at that. If I click inside the mobile, any this pie chart, donut chart, we can say. Now in on this line chart, if I click it, it is going to be filter. It is going to be apply that filter on other visuals also. This is called interactivity, and that we are going to look how we can create this interactive dashboard and also how you can share this dashboard with someone else or you can publish this dashboard in your Power BI too, right? So I am going to tell you how to upload this particular on Power BI services. Okay. Now, let me tell you one more thing. Before going ahead, today's sessions is more about practical things. So if you are not able to practice along with me, don't worry. You can later on practice on this particular topic because we are also going to provide you a recording. So let me tell you about the data. Let me open this project that I have provided you practice file in the description already. So I'm going to open this mobile sales dashboard. Look at here now. I'm not going to open this PBI. I'm going to open this data basically. Let me open this mobile sales final. This is the CSV actually that I am looking for. So I have data in CSV file. Okay, this is what I have in a CSV. I have transaction ID, day, month, year. The date is divided into 3 different columns. Now it is my task to combine these columns by using Power Query, and I already explained you how to combine this, but don't worry, I'm going to tell you again how to use Power Query to combine these particular different columns and create a separate date. Create a date basically. Here it is, we are having category of that model, basically the product or that mobile model. And the next one, that is a brand. The next one is price, then unit sold and total revenue. These are the numbers that we mostly matters. And also we are having customer age, then customer gender, location and payment method. So these are the things that we are having in our data, right? Got it. Instead of location, all these location, I'll do one thing. I'll take Indian state. We can take anything. So I'll just replace data. This is our dummy data. So in order to get the Indian state, I have the state list actually inside my, suppose, let me take this. Let me go to the more workbooks and I have data. I'll just change the data to like to get the map chart. If I want a map chart, then I'll go and I'll do that. So I think so I have here. No, here it is no states. Anyway, let it be. We'll just keep as it is. Later on, if I want, I can go and type the Indian states also, and it will fill randomly also. So this is what we are having data payment method, that online credit card, and these are the things that we are right now having. Okay. So now, again, I'm sharing those who are joined late. I'm sharing practice file in the chat section. Go and download it. So now this is what the data that let's understand about the data, and that's very simple that we are having these particular three different columns that we have to merge. And is there anything that we need to do? Yes, one more thing that we need to do it carefully. That look at here on this data. If you observe carefully, there is a customer, gender, female, and also refers as a F. In some places there is a male, male, male. In some places there should be male, but it is no, reference as a like M. So how to deal with that? We are going to see. If there is a like gender, which is repeated gender, actually male should be male, but it's showing as a M. Abbreviations of that male, only the first letter of that no, character. So how to deal with? I'll just show you. If you have attend all these sessions, then you might be came across that, yeah, I know that how to do it with the Power Query. Now let me close this data. I don't want to do anything on this data now, and it's already saved. I think I don't need to change anything. Let's close it and don't say okay. So this is my data, mobile sales final. This is my data basically, and I'm going to import this data inside the Power BI. So I've started my Power BI, and I'm going to click on this import data from Excel, not Excel. Basically, it is CSV file. So I'm going to click on this get data and click on more options. And next, that is you will get this option, that is text or CSV. This time I'm not going to select the Excel because my data is available inside the CSV file. Okay. And there is one more question I would like to tell you. Sometimes, like there are example, we have just seen that example. Let me show you that one. That is a real problem that was asked by my masterclass data analyst masterclass students. And what was his problem? Let me tell you. I think so. We are having data. Yeah, here it is. So in our previous lectures, in one lecture, we are having these kinds of data: April, February, January, March, means Jan, Feb, April, March, I mean to say. So Jan, Feb, March, April, as there are four files. Now, what we have done with these files in order to get all these files in a one particular table, we did something, right? What we did? Let me know what we did. Anyone? Inside Power Query, we have append these files. And so it is Excel file. So Power Query will easily, yes, we have upload it to the folder. We have like, yes, Solar Power is right. We uploaded the folder first, and then we merge the file with using Power Query, right? I have told you how to append these data one after another. Okay. But the problem is that if there is a CSV file, take example, you have several CSV file in a folder. I would like to show you right now. This is the situation that you will be facing. And now this is, take example, these are the all the files that you want to append. But the CSV file Power Query cannot append to each other because it's comma separated file and it must be converted into the table. So comma separated file are not the table. If you open this file in Excel, it will open, but still it is not table. Always remember, if you are going to open this file inside the notepad, let me open into the notepad and I'll show you how it will be, how that data look like. This is the actual data store inside the CSV file. Comma separated value. Each particular value is separated by comma. Each column separated by comma. And if you open this file into Excel, people don't know the difference between CSV and Excel. That's why I'm telling this one. So if you open this, it will look like in a separate columns, but it's still not table. And that's why Power Query will not able to merge this data or append these several Excel files together. Sorry, CSV files. It seems Excel, but it's CSV file already. You can see the extension of this file. So in order to deal this, we need to convert this file into the Excel, and then only we can pull down into the Power BI. And then we can append it using Power Query. Okay, so I already told you how to get it all the files into the Power BI using Power Query, how to append it. But the problem is that you cannot upload directly CSV file, which is CSV, which has CSV file. We cannot upload or select that folder which has multiple CSV file. So how to deal with this? This is the situation that there may be a 50 CSV file and it's not you have to do. If in order to convert this into the Excel, you have to open that file, press F12 and change the extension, that is change the save type to XLSX. Look at here. What I did, I opened the CSV file. I'll press F12. You know that F12 means save as, save multiple times. Then save as type will allow you to change the type of this file. Currently it is CSV file, but I want it should be in XLS format. Okay. Look at here carefully what I'm telling. This is very crucial and important part whenever you are having multiple CSV files. Look at here carefully. This is a real job problem, which is one of my corporate student has really facing this issue. And he asked me, sir, I have a several CSV file, but I'm not able to append this data using Power Query because Power Query will not allow to add the CSV file folder, okay, which has multiple CSV file. So I need to convert that into the Excel. And in order to convert 50 files, if I have 50 files, I need to open each file and I need to go and change it to the XLS. And this is what, again, a lot of tedious tasks on everyday basis, because he has to download like on weekly basis basically. So he has to download several CSV file, and once he got several CSV file from the server, then he need to get it into the Power BI, and it is really a task for him. So what I did for him, I told him that we can convert this particular CSV file using AI tool, using VBA, Excel VBA basically. So using AI tool means Excel VBA is not AI tool, but Excel VBA coding, it's work like AI. But how to do that coding actually? I don't know about how to type a single code inside the Excel, because I'm not a programmer, I'm not a IT guy. I'm just plain BCom graduate student, and I am working on the Excel data from last few years, but I don't know about automation. So in order to get automation, we don't have to worry about it, guys, because nowadays we are having ChatGPT. So I asked the similar question to ChatGPT to help me in this. So maybe I would like to show you. Here it is. This is the code that I ask. This is the prompt that I asked to ChatGPT, help me in this. So you can see this is the problem I'm sharing with you, and it's that I solve this problem live on a live basis. I ask ChatGPT directly, write a Excel VBA code for me where I have several CSV files in one folder. Now I want to convert all these files into the Excel format. Means it should be XLSX files while generating VBA code. So ask ChatGPT to create a VBA code for me and follow the given steps. The first step is give me a pop-up option to select folder where I have all the CSV file, and give me, after converted each file into XLS, give me another pop-up to select destination folder where I should get all the converter Excel files. And within a few seconds, it has written code for me. Within few seconds, yes, it has written code for me. But unfortunately, this code was working, but it is again a lot of tedious tasks, because for every saving file, it is giving me a pop-up. Means whenever it is converting to Excel, and if there is a 50 file, I need to save it again and again. So I asked ChatGPT, do not add destination location, means the saving location, in a loop, because it asks me every time to save this file. So do not add the destination location in the loop. It should not be asked. I want the destination location should be select at once. I don't want to select the destination location again and again. And ChatGPT understood what I was trying to say him. So I will like to copy. See, I would like to copy this code. Now I'll like to show this demo first, because this is the very important demo in order to work on multiple CSV file. Okay, if you have several CSV file of month wise in a one folder. So now I open up one blank workbook. Let me show this side by side. I'll do one thing. I'll put it this to the left side. I'll just keep my mouse pointer here. Okay. And then I'll open another folder, which will be my Excel file. Here it is, Excel file. I'll delete this because previously I have converted it. I'll delete all these files and I'll put it to the right side. So now I have CSV file and another, it is Excel file, which has a blank folder. Now I want to convert all these CSV file to the Excel using this VBA code. What I did, basically I got the code from ChatGPT. Now I open a one blank Excel workbook, which is plain blank, nothing else. Now I'll go to the Excel VBA screen. It's very easy to go to the Excel VBA screen. Press Alt F11 on screen. Alt F11. Once you press Alt F11, you'll get Excel Visual Basic screen. Okay. Alt F11. If you don't get it, how to get Alt F11? And there is one more option. You can right click on the toolbar, click on the customize ribbon, and click on this visual base, oh sorry, developer tab, and you will get developer tab. Enable your developer tab in your Excel. It's very simple. Right click on any tab, say customize ribbon, and click on developer tab. That's it. Once you enable the developer tab, it will allow you to get this option. Means in your developer tab there will be a visual basics, and once you open this visual basic, it will open this window, kind of window. Now what I would like to do, I would like to add that code whatever ChatGPT has given me. I'm going to click on insert and click on module. Look at here, let me zoom it. Oh, I'll click wrong option. Let me delete this. Right click and you can remove this. Okay, where it is insert module, I should click on module. Let me zoom it. So once you insert and click on module, then you will able to see one module and your cursor at the right, just paste your code. So this is your code that I got from the chat GPT, convert CSV to Excel. And now look at here. Let me do one thing. I would like to minimize this Excel, as well as I would like to minimize this one because I would like to show you the parallelly result. And here I'm going to run this program. To run this program, in order to run this program, you need to press F5. And here it is. I'm going to press F5, or else you can click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, it will ask you select folder with CSV files. Look at there on a title. Okay, I'm going to select my folder, which is available on desktop. Okay, I've done it. Now it will ask you another folder, another location. Select destination folder for XLSX file. XLSX file. So my destination, it is again on the desktop, same location, but the folder name is different. That is Excel files. And boom, it is converting. Look at there, some sort of animation is going on. All CSV files have been converted in XLS properly format. And let me show you here. If I open this file now, it will be in Excel, and it is properly Excel file, not the comma separated file. So what I was trying to explain, guys, got it? Just let me know inside the chat. Got it. So chat section will be enabled during entire session, today's entire session. Do not do not drop any chat whenever I'm teaching you on a screen. If I'm looking towards the chat screen, this is my chat screen. If I'm looking towards chat screen, then you can drop it. So drop it, got it inside chat section, what I did just. Come on, guys. This is last session and be active. I just want to see how many people are active, because a lot of people join since it's last lecture. So all the people try to join today itself. Thank you very much for joining. But I want you to be active inside the chat section. Sri Lekha is active. Pratik is active. Prashant ji dropping, got it. Yes, active. Yes, someone is S. Only S, got it, dropping yes. Okay. Satish Kumar ja, got it. Vikas ji got it. Pratyush ji got it. Then Pravitra is also active. Very good. Uh, no problem. I'll let you know, Saurabh ji. Sandesh Kumar, drop it. Yes. Dipti, Subendu, very good. I'll let you know, Saurabh ji. Don't worry. Rishikesh, Dejan Ansari, Dipti, Ankit Kumar, Priyanka, Jayant Patil. What is file name means? Achha, you are asking about the folder, practice folder. I'm dropping it again. No issues. You are asking about practice folder, right? Okay. So I'm dropping it link again. Those who join it, join at. So let me. I think let me go to the back. This is the project basically. Project. Go to the project and open it. This is the project basically. Here it is. You can download. And inside the project, you need to download only this file. Right now, only this file. Final. Mobile sales final. Okay. Code cannot be shared. Let me check it out. I have code that I have code on this drive. Yeah, I have code. I'll share it right now. I'm sharing the code, convert CSV, all CSV to Excel. In fact, I'll do one thing. I'll share this chat with you. What I did with this chat GPT. I'll share with this prompt and all. Oh, it is asking for update link. I don't know the update link. I want to just copy the link. Let's update it. No problem. Copy link. I'm sharing the chat GPT link with you guys. Okay. So you can see this code will be there and you can access it right now. Okay, now it's time to start. Do not drop anything in the chat if I'm looking to right side screen because I'm not looking on the chat. Okay. So and you should do not like you should do not divert your whatever thought attention. You should look over on a screen now, I can say. So now, yes, we have just done it because if we are facing there are several CSV file in one folder. So how can we pull that? I told you. But now in our case, there is only one CSV file and I don't need to append the data. So if there is single CSV, you can pull that data by using this connect option. Click on connect. And what I did, just I repeat it. I have data in CSV file, which I share with you guys. Let me repeat it again. Those who joined the late, don't worry. I have this data that is inside my Power BI live batch. I'll share with you the link again. And you need to download this particular file only, which is a mobile sales final, which is CSV file. Look at here, mobile sales final. Now I'm pulling this data by clicking on this particular option, which is here, get data from another source. Once you click on that, click on text CSV, say connect, and go and open your folder and select that file. So once you loaded your file, you need to make it transformation, some sort of transformation. And that's why we are going to click on transform data, because in our file, we need some transformation. And that's why we are going to take help from Power Query. So now, as you can see, data is loaded into the Power Query, and here it is your query, mobile sales final. Now, if you don't require this transaction ID, of course, you right click on it and remove it, because I don't think so. This transaction ID is going to be help you any case to get the any kind of analysis. But this is only the unique ID that you have. You can keep it to get the transactions, total transactions. So keep it transaction ID, no at all, no problem at all. If you don't want, you can remove this column. Okay. Now next task is there is a day, month, and year. I want to merge these particular three columns to get exact date. So we are having date, month, and year. I need to add one more column where I should have a complete date. I don't want to day, month, and year separate. I want a complete date to be displayed. Because once you got the date column and you pull that date column inside our report, then there will be automatically date hierarchy. So we don't need this day, month, and year to be separated because it is already going to be separate using date hierarchy option of or date hierarchy features of Power BI, feature of Power BI, we can say. So for now, click on add column. Look at here. I'm clicking on add column. You know that there is a custom column option. Let's go and click on custom column. And let's type, this is a date column. Okay, that I'm going to add a date column. I'm going to create a date column, I'm going to say. In this date column, I need to add day. Then I need to add month, but there should be a separator. So in order to add separator, you know that you must add hyphen between this. What do you need to add? Ampersand sign and hyphen, because there should be a hyphen separator. Then I need to go for month. Once you done it, let's go back and add this ampersand again. Sorry. Then hyphen again into inverted comma, and then again ampersand, and then add here. This is what you have to do. Hyphen, hyphen, and then day, month, and year. So now let's go and click on OK. Now let's see what happened. It shows error. Now you might be thinking, sir, there will be the error in a formula. Is anybody going to tell me, is there error in the formula or it is something else that we have to do? Is there error in the formula? Anybody can tell me? Is there error in the formula that or something else that we need to observe it carefully in our data, and then we have to do something in our data, and then this will be properly calculated? No error in the formula. Correct. No error. Very good. Pratyuji, Saurabhji, no error. There is no error. Of course, there is no error, guys. But why this error occurs? Anybody? Yes, exactly, Vikaji. These are the, yes, first, okay, Imranji, correct. Yes, okay, no text format. So let me remove this tape. And what I would like to do, yes, you guys are correct. So let's go here and let's have this one. Let's look at this. This is reflecting as a day and it is number. This is reflecting year, it is number, and this is in a text. So let's go here and convert into the text. For now, I'm going to convert because I'm going to make a join, and I'll click on replace, and this for this I'm going to click on the text. So you need to make all the columns in a similar format. So I done this with the help of this format option. I just converted these particular, I just changed the data type of this column to the text, and this is already text. Because of course you cannot convert month to the number directly because it is not detected as a date. Of course, you can go here and change the format to convert as a date, month, or something like type. We can change the type. But thing is that the problem, you can easily convert to the text these particular things. So what I'm going to do now, look at here, guys. I am going to add a custom column. Next column will be a date, and let's add this one. Why I deleted that steps? Because I need to add previous steps, and if even you add the previous steps directly, it is not going to reflect in your data. The error might be there as error. So that's why we have to delete that steps and we have to go it again. Sorry, it should be ampersand. Look, I'm adding the formula again. I'm not going to explain this formula this time because I already explained what I did previously, and here it is. I've done it. So it's correct day, month, and year. Now let's go back and we are getting our date, but it's still not date format. So in order to convert into the date format, we can click on this and say date only. So now it's date. Let's move this column to the left side. So I just want to move this column here. Where it is my date, month, year. Yeah, here it is. So I created a new column. Now I'm going to delete these particular columns. Okay, I don't want these columns now. So say remove columns, selecting by all the three column day, month, and year. If you remove it, there is no effect on this particular because it's kind of automation, and it's the date will remain as it is date properly. Okay, got it so far. Got it. Just drop it. Got it inside the chat section. Then we'll move to the next step. This is 2 hour session, guys, and you have to be active for next 2 hour because you are going to create an interactive dashboard with me today itself. Got it. Thank you. All the people dropping got it now. I'm not going to call out you guys' name, but you are dropping got it that I can see all the people name here. Thank you. So it's time to do one thing. We need to replace this customer gender, that is custom gender. We are having here customer gender. I mean to say customer gender. So we are having F in place of female. There should be a female, but it is showing sometimes F. There may be a mistakes of data entry. So in order to correct this, we need to use replace. Right click and say replace value. Where it is replace values. Okay. In replace value, always remember, click type F first in a value to find. Type here, I want to replace as a female, and click on advanced option and check this option, match entire cell. You need to check this option inside replace because it should change only the app, only the single app which is exactly match to this app. If you are not going to check this option and if you replace it, this is going to change this female app too. And that is what we don't want. Because if you're not checking this, what will happen? Let's check, have a look this. Female email. What is this? Female email. Why this happened? Because there is also app, and previously there was app, and it is now app replaced with the female. That's why it is coming like this. So again, let's go back on this step and let's no undo this step, remove this because we cannot alter it right now. It is already applied there. So instead of that, right click and say replace values and say F. In place of F, type female. Done. Oh, I should not get into the capital. I want in this way. Click on this match entire cell and we have done it. So similarly, I'm going to replace the mail. Click on the replace, and you know that uh, M with mail. Okay. Done. So, is there anything that I have to change? No, nothing at all. I think rest of the things is okay in my data, and it's time to go back and load your data inside the Power BI. Close and apply. Now let's learn to create a dashboard. As I've shown you at the start of this particular session, we are going to create the dashboard like this. Let me show you again. Here it is, you can see. We are going to see the dashboard like this. Data is still loading. Wait a minute. We are going to generate a dashboard like this, and which will be fully interactive. Also, we are going to see how to publish this dashboard inside the PowerPoint as well as web. So how we can, this is in my PowerPoint slide, and it's still interactive. So I'll let you know how to do it. But in order to use this is actually paid services by Microsoft, but how to get it, this, or if you are in organization, how to do it, you will come to know. So yeah, let me escape this. This is what dashboard we are creating here. Now, in order to create the dashboard, you need to apply the background if you want. In my dashboard that I've just shown you, let me show you it again on here. And it should be a, yes, I think it is not there. Yes, it is here. Okay. So I have this dashboard now. Look at here now. I'll click on any option. You will get it. This is in a browser now. So in order to add this particular, I don't have any background added over here. If you want, you can add the background, but I just put it plain background. And I use the blue theme, which is like a lot of people use in a corporate blue theme, blue and this particular color, this blue, and we can say orange color, little bit dark orange color. So now let's go with these colors and we'll apply this one. Okay, we'll create this one. Now let's draw first this. Okay, this panel. I'm going to draw this panel, this first line and this panel. So how we can do it? I'm going to draw a rectangle first. Look at here. The rectangle will be available in insert and it is available here. So this time I'm going to select the first, this rectangle, and I will draw it. It is coming into the blue. It's okay. I can change the color of this particular shape, but I'm just dragging this size and putting on this particular canvas in this proper way. Let me minimize this filter so that I can get it properly. Little bit zoom. Also, you can minimize this data tab if you want. You can later on it is maximized. If you minimize these tabs, it will help you. Basically, this will look in a maximized size or bigger size. So now to change the color of this shape, click on this shape, and here you will get the option shape, rotation, style. So now looking for style, and I'm going to fill this dark color for this shape. Now let's go back and add another shape, that is the shape which is here. It's very simple. I added this shape, but look at this shape. The rounded corners is on the top. I don't want this is on top. Let's go and rotate it to the 90 angle. So I'll rotate only the shape, or else you can rotate all the things. You can go ahead and type it here 90. It should be a 0. So now shape will be looking like this. So you can put your shape here. If you want the rotation of this particular or round corners of this particular shape should be the 10% or 12 or 15. So you can go and change the round top and bottom corners. Look at here. So you can change round corners like this. So this is what you're getting right now. I have drawn the shape. One shape, it is rectangle directly. Second shape, it is round top and both rectangle. And what I did with this, I did one thing. I went to the style and I click on this. I already told you, sorry, click on the rotation. I'll just put down the rotation at the 90. Okay, and this is what I got. Now, in this particular section, I need to add a tab. Basically, that is there is a home tab. Let me show you in the report. There is home tab. Okay, because this is my home screen, so it is not okay. If you are having multiple pages, then this is required actually. That's why I added icon. This is not the single dashboard I have created. This is actually project. If you see it, the home page will look like this. So I've created another home page, and inside that home page, this is the one page that we are looking for. So I'll tell you how to add this home dialog, home icon. It's very simple basically. Click on the insert again, and you will get this image option. Inside that, you can add any logo of your company. Now I'm adding a logo. I'm not going to add basically home tab. Here it is. I'm going to add a logo. This is what I have in my image. You can add your company logo and you can put it down. This is my PNG image that I have. PNG, you know that PNG means the image that is not having white background. Means, of course, this particular circle, inside a circle, there is white background, but behind the text, you can see there is no white background. This is the PNG and that I have added. How I did it, look at here. I'll show you again. Click on the image, select your image wherever it is located, and now decrease the size and keep it here. You can decrease the size as per your requirement and you can keep it here. So now the next one. If I'm not able to see the skill course text because it is in a black. So I'll do one thing. I'll add another shape. There is a lot more options you can do it. I'll add other rectangle or rounded corner shape this way. This is the thing that you can do. I can keep it over here. Look at there carefully. And I'm going to fill a white color to this shape. By clicking on the style, I can change the color, you know that. And I want to send this particular shape behind. So in order to send this particular shape behind, there is options, like there is options for you inside the, format tab. Yes. Inside the format tab, and send backward. Send backward, bring forward. Look at this, send backward. So it will send you one step back and you can put it down this way. Like this. Just decrease little bit size. And I don't want this rectangle should be that much bigger. So you can go and change the size up to like this. And you can put it in this way. So this is what you can do, guys. Now it is decreasing the size. It's overlapping a little bit. It's okay. So this is what you can do. You can add additional shapes in order to get your text highlighted or something like that. Now let me tell you how to add this slicer. Next step is add a slicer. Do you have any question? I'll let you know, Prasanji, how to publish our dashboard. Do you have any questions so far, guys? No problem. No question. Okay. So let's move to the next one. If you have any question, in meanwhile, because since it's big lecture, meanwhile, I'll look on the chat. You can drop it over your question. Okay. You just type it, and whenever I ask the question, then you can drop it. Okay. Not in the middle of the lecture. If I ask the question, just type somewhere your question. And once I ask it, drop it inside the chat section whenever if you have any question, because it will be proper for everyone to understand. So now let's understand a slicer. Let's add one more slicer. Okay, I'm adding a slicer, and always have this some design sense, guys. Whenever like you are adding some, you are creating some dashboard, you need to have some design sense. Means what? If you are using a particular brand logo or brand colors in your dashboard, that will be look cool. So I have these particular two colors inside my logo. So I'm going to use these two colors for my dashboards. How to use these two colors? This is might be a question in your mind, because Power BI will not allow you to get it this particular pick. There is no pick or color picker options inside the Power BI. So how do I get came to know that these are the colors that I should use in my dashboard? I'll let you know about that. But for now, I'm going to create one slicer. I've added one slicer, guys. I have clicked. Let's add a new slicer. Actually, I'm adding a new slicer, not the old one. In new slicer, I'm going to put this slicer here, and here it is. I'm going to get it inside the data. Go to inside data, and here I'll select the slicer. I'll click on this build visual, and here it is. I'm going to drag date. If I drag the date, the problem is that I will not able to get the month. So this is not the way to, actually you will ask me to get the date hierarchy, but in this date hierarchy, the new slicer, I told you in a previous lesson, in new slicer, if you added a date hierarchy, it is not going to display a complete date hierarchy. It will show you only here. And that's the biggest problem for us. Now let's close it. Then I want to display the months in this slicer. So how do I do it? Let me show you. I told you that click on this expand button. Once you click on this expand button, you will get date hierarchy. Again, click on date hierarchy or this expand button of date hierarchy. And then you will able to see the year, month, quarter separated. Now let's drag this month to the field, and this way you can drag your month into the new slicer. If you are using new slicer, then for the date column, you need to do this sort of thing. Okay. Now, once you add the date column, what is next? Let's go back to the format visual, and let's go back to the shape. Sorry, it should be shape first. Let me change the layout actually. I would like to go for single column, and also I would like to show maximum button display 12 because there are 12 months. So I'm getting 12 months. But there is a problem. There is a lot of space between the two buttons. So I'm going to decrease the space to 4. So the space is decreased between two buttons. Now I am getting all the 12 months. I'm going to decrease the size of this slicer, and I can put it this slicer over here. Look at that. It looks pretty well, but I need to apply the formatting. Since I'm using new slicer, then it must not be plain. It should be something like, attractive. So in order to get it, again, I don't need this month title because these are the self-explanatory name. So there is no point to add this month title inside the slicer, right? You guys can get it. Anyone can easily guess these are the months, and we can filter the data as per months. So what is the point to add the month title? So in order to remove this month title, go to the where we should go call out values and get it out. Oh, sorry, this is not the, oh, sorry. We need to remove the title, not the call out values. So we'll go to the general and disable the title. Title is available inside the general, you know that. So you can go to the general, and now once you disable the chapter, you will able to see your slicer in a proper size because you are getting that much space for the slicer. Now let's go for the button, and let's add it ascent bar. So here you will get ascent bar to 10. Wow, interesting. Now I want to do one thing. I want to make it rounded corners for this particular entire slicer. So in order to get it rounded corners, go to the general and go to the effect. You know that there is a visual border. Inside visual, if you on the visual border, then go and change this rounded corners to 15. So now you will see, you will able to see your slicer in a 15. Okay, sorry. In 15 rounded corners, but it doesn't look that much well. Let me remove all this. I don't want this particular things. Let's go ahead and I'll do one thing. Go to the general again, go to the effect, remove this background as well as remove this border. I don't want this border and background as well. So it's okay. And if I want that every button should be rounded, then I'll go to the layout. I will go to the shape, and there will be a rounded rectangle. But again, these buttons is rounded corners. It's showing too much. Let's go and change to the 10. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Okay. Even you can change the alignment of the callout values. Go and make it center. This will also good. If you want, you can keep it left. You can keep it center. This way you can use it. But for this ascent bar color, the color which is coming into the black right now, I want to apply the color from the logo. The dark blue color which is available inside the above S portion of the above this particular. So I want to add this particular blue, only that color. Now you might be asking, sir, that color will be available in our color picker. Go and check it out. Let me go ahead and show you. If you go into our what is that, buttons, ascent bar and color picker, here it is our color. We will not get, see, we are getting that blue color, but not the exact blue color which is available at there. I'm applying color, but you cannot guarantee these two colors are similar color. But how you can guarantee these particular two colors are similar? Because there may be a different shades of color. You know that there are 0 to 255 shades of colors. If I talk about the technical word, there will be a 0 to 255 colors in hexadecimal, and there will be a different 0 to 255 color shades of each and every colors. Okay. So in order to get the exact color, we need to have some technical knowledge, and what, not the technical actually, only we have to deal with some numbers. How to do it? Let me show you. Let's go and do one thing. Let me open here PowerPoint. What I'm doing, just telling you these things in order to get it proper. Even in the PowerPoint too, if you are creating any PPT and you must like you want that my colors of that PPT should be the brand colors, which is exactly used in the brand logos. So in order to get it that, just click on the insert, click on the picture and say this PC. First insert the picture of your brand, that is logo of your company. So I'm inserting the picture. Once you insert the picture, look at here. Just decrease the size and keep it at the one corner. Now draw another shape. I'm drawing here another shape inside the PowerPoint. This things you can do with Microsoft Word, I think so, and Excel too. But I'm showing in PowerPoint, so it is easy to understand. So now I'm drawing any shape, any shape. There is no matter because we are not going to deal with the shape. We are going to deal with the color. So draw any shape. Once you draw it, I'm going to remove this mouse highlighter basically because this will create an error. I'm going to remove this mouse highlighter. Give me 1 second. Okay. I'm going to remove the mouse highlighter by pressing, yeah. Now you'll get only mouse pointer because mouse highlighter has a yellow color and we are not able to pick the exact color that we are looking for because of that yellow color. So now we can pick the exact color. Okay. Now here it is. I have this particular rectangle and where I'm going to select first rectangle. Always remember, click on the shape format, which is available at the top of this particular tabs. And this will only appears when you select the shape. If you click on the blank area, you will not able to select shape. Clear? Now I'm going to click on this shape. I'll click on this shape format. And here it is inside the shape field. You will get this eyedropper. Many of you may came across with this option previously, but now I'm going to tell you the exact use. If you don't know about it, click on the eyedropper. Eyedropper will help you with one dropper over there and you can pick the color of your logo. Now click on any color. That color will be appear inside this shape because you have selected this shape. As you have selected this shape, eyedropper will fill color on this shape. So now let's go back again. Shape format, shape fill. I don't want this color. I'm clicking on eyedropper and I'm going to click this color. This is the exact color that you are using inside your logo. Got it, guys? Just put down got it. If you don't know the how to get the yes. I think so. I told you about this, but I am just repeating it. Yes, yes, yes. I think so. Yes, Subhankar ji is also yeah. Yes, I told you about this. Yes. Thank you very much. I don't remember, but you guys remember. Thank you very much. So now I'll just quick it. I'll just made it quick. So once we done this one, go to the shape field and click on more fill colors. Once you got the more fill color, here it is, you are getting your hexa code. Hex code, hexa code, whatever. The programmer people call it hexa sometimes, but it's hex codes. So it's hex code. Just copy this hex code. Now I'm going to close it and yeah, here I'm inside the Power BI and I'm selecting this my slicer and clicking on this again buttons and here it is inside the more colors. I'm going to paste my hexa. Here it is my color that I am looking for. Okay, it's okay. I'm not taking blue. It's the sunny yellow that I'm taking. It's like sunny yellow. I'm taking this one. Okay. So I've taken this kind of orange or we can call it sunny yellow. So that's it. We did it a proper way. We have added a slicer and also we have added a logo and we pick the proper color from the logo. Now next one, let's go back and let's learn the display. I'm going to add this shape. This is what the mobile shape and inside mobile shape, I'm going to create this particular visualizations that we can see. There are two cards. Then there is a donut and there is line chart and again same two cards. It looks very good. So let's go click on the insert. And this is my trick basically. You can use your own trick. You can show the computer screen and inside computer screen, you can display the too many visuals, whatever. You can display, even if your product is something else, then you can display that product, and inside that product you can show the dashboard, because it is keep attention relevant actually. So anybody can guess, oh, my product is visible to there, and you are showing that particular dashboard inside my product. That is very good, but there should be like some touch about your product or brand. So that's why I'm adding this one. Now let's add another image which is available in our project folder. Let me go back to the project folder, which is available, I think so. Yeah, here it is inside our live batch project. I've provided you these icons, and there are so many icons. So for now I'm selecting this one icon. Okay. So you can add these icons. I have tried with different icons, and finally I decided to go with this. There are so many icons that I have added, but here it is the icon that I have. And increase the size of this icon. You can put it like this. You can increase further. I think so it will increase that much only. Let's increase horizontally. Yes, this is the final size of this particular. Okay. So you can keep like this. Now next, add the cards. Inside there, I'm going to add this card. There will be, I think so that I have added a new card. That's not the old one. Let's add the new card. Here it is, new card. In new card, let's drag two, total revenue and total quantity. Let me go with the total revenue and total quantity. How to get the total revenue? Everybody knows that. Let me use the DAX function. Right click, new measure. I would like to calculate the total revenue. So I'm going to type a total revenue. Total revenue is it just sum of your total revenue column. We have already total revenue column, but I want total revenue. It will be a similar column again. Revenue. Sorry, spelling wrong. Revenue. So what I would like to do in the name, I would like to change of this. I would like to add as a DAX. Okay. So DAX total revenue. DAX, I'm just putting this is DAX calculation. That's why, because there is already column available with the total revenue. So we'll get confused what is which one is the explicit function and which one will be the implicit one. It is not that much difficult. It is easy to understand. Again, there will be a logo of calculator, but still I want to differentiate it with names. That's why I added DAX total revenue and sum of total revenue. I'm going to select this column. So this is the first calculation that we have made with the DAX, and I'm going to pull this inside here. So I'm getting this 40.22. The second one is total quantity. So total quantity, it's look odd name actually. Let's remove this total tax actually. Let's do it with the total revenue only. Let it be, because this total revenue has the, like, there is no space between the name, but here it is space. And again, you can identify with this calculator. The calculator means your explicit function. This icon will help you to understand whether it is explicit or implicit. So this icon represents that it is explicit. Now the second one, that is what? Total quantity, right? So total quantity, right click again and say the DAX, another DAX. I'm going to add a total quantity. Total quantity. For total quantity, there will be again aggregation of your quantity column, right? So here it is your quantity column. Where it is a quantity column, guys? There is unit sold. Yeah, I think so. Unit sold. Unit sold. We need to add this unit sold. And that's it. We are having total quantity column and I'm dragging it. It's 50K. So we got this slicer with two values. Sorry, it's card, not slicer, with two values. Now I want to make it customized in a proper way. There should be a top right corner and top left corner, left and right, both the corner. Top left corner as well as right corner should be rounded corners. So in order to get the rounded corners, you know that there is a formatting options inside here. So let's go back to the format visual and click on this card, card values, no, layout. Okay. So inside layout, there will be single row cards. I think so. Layout, we are not having that option. We are having options inside the cards, and let's inside the round. Inside, instead of rectangle, go to the rounded rectangle. Let's do one thing. 25. I want to customize the style. And I want to change top right corner to 25 and bottom top right corner and top, another top, where it is. Yeah, top left corner. Sorry, top right corner and top left corner. So make both the arrow corners rounded by putting values there. And now you can decrease the size and put it like this. Okay. But this problem is that still we are not getting a proper way, because we are having some, look at that. We are having border of this particular visual. So let's go back to the format general and click on effects, remove background. First remove background, as well as border is not there now. Now look at there, it's proper. So you can decrease the size a little bit now and you can fit it like this. Okay. Another problem is that we are not able to see our values, because since the value is coming in a big font, or we can say large font, then we need to go into the where should we go? Values. Inside the values, we are going to change to 30. It's proper. Okay. So we'll do one thing. We'll make it center. It's center, and we can fill the color. Let's decrease the little bit size. We can go for 30 or 26. I think let's decrease more, and that will help you. Yes. And then again, one more thing. There is a little bit extra space between total revenue and this. So in order to deal with this, you know that, click on reference level. No, it's not reference level. Again, we need to go for callout values, layout. Inside callout values, I think so. Click on this level and decrease this space between labels and text. Yes, this is the space that you need to decrease. So put it 0 directly. I don't know. Yes, there is a space there, also space. Now it is not there. So we have to adjust this space and all these. Also, we can do one thing. Go to the format visual, click on the layout, and here inside the layout, there is overflow option. No, no, click on the general, sorry. Click on the general, click on the properties. Inside properties, click on the padding and set 0 padding at the bottom. And for the padding of this, you need to increase up to, it's coming down. Oh, it should not be coming down. Let it 0. Yeah, it's 0. Now it's increase this one. We should get that particular numbers at the top. Now, okay. It looks fine. I think it looks fine. Should we go for the minus one? No, it's not going to minus, only plus values. This is the formatting that you can make. And let's change the color. I want to change the color to this particular visual, and I want to apply this blue color, which is inside the PowerPoint. Let's go back, shape fill, eyedropper. I'm going to pick this. This is my color. Click on the shape fill. Click on more fill colors. This is what the color code that I have. I'll copy this color code and let's go back to the Power BI. Click on the cards. Click on this background. Here it is the white color. I'm going to click on more fill and I'm going to fill this color. Okay. So if you change the color of the card, you know that you need to change the callout colors also, callout values color also. So I'm going to feed this white, and also for the label, I'm going to select fill this as a gray. So this is what you can do it. Look over here, but it seems little bit dark, but it is okay. If you need to get the same color, you can add it like this. You can increase little bit size or like this. This will be okay. And similarly, just duplicate this. Again, one more thing. There is a space. There is extra space between these two cards. So we need to go to the layout and decrease this space. There should be a 2x only. So now the space is decreased between the 2, or maybe 4x is enough, not the x, 8x. So let's copy and paste it again and do one thing. What we can do in this case, we cannot flip it, I think so. So it's not like Photoshop and all. We can flip it. We cannot flip it. So we just need to flip it, but we cannot flip it, right? Once you made the copy, we'll have to do one thing only. We'll have to do one thing. Just go to the format visual again and go to your cards where you will able to see these rounded corners. Instead of this, just make it 0 through these corners, top right and top bottom, and just let's go back and change to the top 25 and this one. So this way you can go ahead and add your visual inside the mobile properly. Okay, look at here now. We just add that one. We have added one line over here. So line will be available insert shape. It is available insert shapes. This is a divider basically to show your report in a proper divided section. So you can add a line and you can even change the line color if you want. You can go and change the line color to this blue. Oh, which is not changed. Style. Oh, it should not be fill. It should be border color. I'm changing a fill color, which is wrong because line is a border only, and that's why it should be a border color. So got it so far. Got it, guys. Do you have any question? I'll just take a pause for next 1 to 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, no, 30 seconds only to take a sip of water. Amirji, that I have did according to mobile screen. I have rotated the corners according to mobile screen. We have just completed our 1 hour session, and in this 1 hour, we have learned so many things. But Amirji was asking in this dashboard, I think so. Yeah, in this dashboard, there is no round corners. Yes, you are right, Amirji. There should not be right corners. Like we have to change this design. If you look at carefully, we need to go and change this card. First card inside right corner. I think so. Right corner must be 0 of this particular. Oh, right corner will be like this. That one is individual card. I think so. Oh, let me check it out. Mm, Because if you change from here, it is going to affect on both the cards at a time. What I did, I just have to remember that. If I change the right corner, then right corner will be, all the right corners will be. I think so. I have added individual cards in that presentation. Let me check it out, that one. We have dashboard over here. We'll check it out. Is that our, because in our case, it is not joined. So let's see now. In our dashboard, this is a new card, of course. So the kind of formatting that I have applied inside the card, it's a rectangle. Okay, it's a rectangle, and then it's not rounded. It's a rectangle inside general. Maybe I have applied it the rounded corners from visual border. No, it's not from here also. So where from I did that? Let me check it out. Inside the cards, inside the layout, it's table, grid, table, 2. It's okay. Inside the shape, top left corner and top right corner. Okay, I've changed the shape design actually, not the card one. Okay, so what I did is just I don't remember that one. That's how I would look at here. I changed. We have changed this rounded corner. I just go back to the rectangle again, and inside the shape, we are not having shape option right now. They have changed actually. In previous, look at here in this layout. Okay, inside layout we are having layout and shape. So inside layout we are having layout. Minimize this one, and we are not having shape option here. Layout, shape, background, and border lines. Since we have selected this card, and is this a new one? Yes, this is new card. This is the card that we have added. Oh, inside the layout, we are getting this shape option. But in our case, if I select this one, inside layout, we are only overflow having overflow option. Acha, we have to go for grid actually. That's why the problem is here. So let's go to the grid and I will change it to max rows to 2, max column to 2, and then I'll get shape, I think so. It's still not getting shape. Customize spacing, it's spacing. I don't know. Okay, let it be. We'll see later on. But what is the problem that I am now getting here? I'm not getting, see, inside here, I'm getting grid here, but not getting shape. In our previous, it is similarly, the cards is there. I've added the same card. If you look carefully, it is a new card. It is card new. Similar card that we have added here. And now let's go back here inside the formatting. Inside layout, we are getting this option. We are getting this shape option. As we have selected this grid and table. Is it in a table same? Grid and then table. Let me select it, this one, grid. No, it's not table. Oh, it's table. It should be table actually. It was card. So now let's go back and say rounded corners, customize, and top right corner 25. Sorry, 25. Yes, and bottom. Now it's coming. Oh no, it should not be there. This one must be there. Left corner. Got it. So I forgot it about it. Got it, guys. You need to go and change it to the table basically. First, what I did, look at here. I'm just repeating it. If you're getting confused, I have this card now. I've added to these two values, that is revenue and these two values, revenue and total quantity. So now once I done it, go to the layout here, check to the grid first. And once you create, check to the table. Add 2 columns and 2 rows only because we need only display 2 values there. So 2 columns and 2 rows, it will be displayed like this. And once you add this table, you will get this shape. Click on the customize option and then only you will be able to change only the top corners, top left and top right corners. Look at there now. This way, that way I have designed the previous card. Got it? Just put down got it now. Got it, got it. Amirji, thank you very much for just correcting me over there because I was doing wrong shape, but it is correct now. It is also okay, but still this one looks good than older one. Now instead of flip, you know that you just go to the shape again, same similar option, which is here, and remove this, means remove the corner, left and left top and right top. Let's apply for the bottom right and bottom left. And if this corner is not properly fitted over there, you can go and increase to 30 or 35 if it is not properly adjusted over there. So you can increase as per your requirement, but here it is now. Okay. Very good. So now let's go to the next one. That is, let's learn the next visual. That is our donut chart. And it's very simple to create the donut chart. Let's understand this, how to do it, donut chart. So here I'm adding a donut chart. Inside donut chart, what we are going to show that I would like to show you. I would like to show the female, male, and there is of course one more gender, that is other. So I want to show the percentage wise, like gender percentage means how many percentage of female and then male and other. So in order to get it here, in this, you can add the values also. Like similarly, it's not the way that average price and total count. You can add the two measures to total count and average price, and you can drag it here. Later on, I'll explain you if we got some time to explain this, then I'll explain you. But this is what I have already explained you, so no need to waste our time. Let's go back to the next visual. For now, I'm going to drag a gender column. So here it is custom gender column as a legend. And inside legend, I'm going to drag, once I drag this one, I would like to drag the custom again here, custom gender here, because I want counting and here should be a count. So it is coming count, look at here. So on the both places in a donut chart, I have added legend as values, the same column, but in a values it is going to be a aggregate as a count, means it is going to be calculate as a count, and we are getting the values. Now let's go do some sort of formatting. I want to add one thing. I want to do one thing first in legend. I would like to place it top center. It could be like here. I don't want this title to be displayed here. If you don't want title, you can remove it, or else you want to change the title, go to the general, and here it is. You can count of customer. Percentage of customer gender. So a gender wise report. We can mention like this, gender wise report. Okay, you can add it like this title. If you want, is this title to be displayed into the center. Now it is center, and decrease the size. But the problem is that I don't want to display these particular values. I want to be display only percentage. So let's go back to the slice here, or sorry, detail levels here. And instead of data value, just go for the percentage of total. And again, go to the values and make it bold. If you want, make it bold, you can make it bold like this. You can increase size, but I want size to be decreased. This should be like this. And again, one more thing. This is again one more title here it is. I don't want to display that title. So in order to remove that title, click on detail levels. Here it is one more option that you can remove it. Where it is, I think so. Not in detail levels. Inside the text. Here it is title. Remove this. The title that you need to remove this. Look at there. What is happening on the screen now? Okay. So I just remove that title and I'm placing this chart here. We are having, like, always remember, we are not having that much space on a dashboard. So in order to get it in a proper way, we need to fit it in a proper place. So almost half of the screen, we have taken the size of this. But still, because of, I think so, we are not getting that much bigger size of this chart. Let me do one thing. Go here, go to the detail levels, and instead of outside, click on inside, but still not increasing. It is outside already. The donut must be increased the little bit size. So in order to get it in a proper way, I'll do one thing. Go to the general, go to the properties, go to the padding, and I think we should decrease this padding. 0, left 0, right 0. So let us increase height, little bit height. Okay, let us put it in this way. So this looks good. Okay, so you can go in. Or else you can do one thing. It seems like there is already a right total revenue by gender wise, total revenue by gender. It is gender revenue wise actually. It is showing total revenue, but we just showed the percentage of counting, not revenue. Okay, it is okay. You can drag it and drop it any report, but just percentage I have just shown you. Let me increase little bit size at the end. Just do one thing. Click on the format visual again. Go to the slice. Go to this legend, general, and remove this background as well as border eraser also remove. Make the possible thing that you can increase the size of that particular thing. Okay, I think so. It is okay. Let's see later on if we are having, then we will remove this title or else we adjust the size of this. So now the next one, that is what our next line chart, which is customer count by gender wise. Now I want to display customer count by gender wise, female, male, and other, and in line chart. Now I'm going to, it's line or area, it's area chart basically. So let's go ahead and add this area chart. So in this area chart, I'm going to drag it customer gender first in x-axis. In y-axis, customer count. This is customer count by gender. So in order to get the customer count, exact count by gender wise, we need to go, and I think so we have added another column. Which column is here? Let me go and check it out. It's total quantity, because total customer counting, customer order counts basically, not the customer count, it's customer order counts. So let's go and drag it, the total quantity here. So we are getting customer total order counts. And let's decrease the size of this. Let's format this particular chart by clicking, or else click on this particular chart, click on home, format painter, and click here. So now you'll get little bit formatting, like title will be proper in a center. Now still we are facing with these particular things. So let's go and change the formatting into the secondary axis values. If you don't want values, remove. If you don't want values, because I'm going to add a data label, so remove this value as well as title. Also go to the x-axis. No, x-axis remain will be same. Let's make it bold only, male, female, and other, and add the data label. Inside the data label, there is inside the formatting, there is a data label option. So you can add the data label like this. You can increase this size. Even we don't need a x-axis title. So go back to the x-axis and remove this title, because we can easily, anybody can easily just its customer gender. Now let's add this line again, copy and paste here. So we are having that much size. Now we can increase the size like this. This will be possible now. Look at here. And here it is. I'm clicking on this. Okay. So this is what we can do actually. So far, we have done with these particular things. You can change the color later on. I have explained you how to change the color. If you want to change the color as per your logo, select this, click on this particular format visual, slice, and change the color from here. If you want to change this color to the sunny yellow, you can go and change. And this must be like another one. You can change it like this as per your requirement. So far we have done with this particular thing. Let's go ahead and add the next chart. That is what? Again, line chart, total revenue year by year. Look at here. Total revenue year by year. Sorry, year, quarter, month, and day. This is what I wanted to show. So in order to get it this total revenue, I would like to add a line chart. And I'm going to drag a total revenue inside the y-axis. And also I'm going to drag the date inside the particular things. And we are getting the report total revenue day wise. Again, we can make the formatting as per your requirement. Whatever the formatting you want, you can go here and format your chart. You don't want the title should be displayed there. The title, because title is going to pick the, yes, even I want this particular title into the center. Even you want to change the title, you can change the title. Next one, that is what? Total quantity by month. Month wise, I want to get it to total quantity. So here it is. I'm going to add a one line chart again. And total quantity will be here. And by month, so I'm going to drag it this one, and I'll remove day. So it will coming in this way. I don't want year and quarter too. So I'm getting month wise. And if I want to make the formatting, like I can go and add the data labels. I'll remove this y-axis. If you're adding the data labels, then no point to place the y-axis there. So you can remove the title. Even this title is not required because we are mentioning total quantity by month above. So at the top, that is the meaningful title at the top. Then no necessary to add the unwanted things inside the chart or repeated things inside the charts. So next in this chart, we have added the markers as well as slider. So let's go back to the format and add zoom slider as well as markers. And for markers, you can change the color too. Go to the color and I wanted to highlight it as a blue. So you can add it like this. The next one, that is, we have added a line, basically separator again. Here it is and here it is. So let's go back and copy this separator and paste it again. Again, I want to copy and paste this separator, but this time this should be vertical. So let's go and rotate this 90. Decrease size or increase, decrease width and increase the height. So we can put it like this. This is what the slice separator that you can use. The next one, that is payment method, total revenue and total amount that we are showing. Payment we are showing here. We have added payment method, total revenue and count inside the table. So now let's go add table, total revenue, payment method, and maybe one more thing, payment method, total revenue, payment method, and total count. Total count, we need to get it total count here. Right click, new measure, look at here. I'm adding total count. What do I have to do? Anybody? Anybody can tell how to add the total count? I want to get the total transaction, guys. Yes, we can show the total in the center of the chart. I'll let you know about that, Ajit ji. Count formula, yes, we can use the count formula, of course. Let's go. But on which column we need to add the column count formula? Total count. Let's add count of transaction columns. So count column can be apply on numerical as well as text column inside the Power BI that I told you. It's differ from Excel. In Excel, count only apply in a for the number values, but in Power BI you can apply for the number as well as text. So we are getting counting. And in order to get a proper format of this table, I told you, if you want to increase the general size of the table, go to the, if you want to click quick format, then go to the format. No, sorry, go to the view, click on this option, that is customize current theme. And I previously asked you do one thing. Always remember, click on the text and click on general and go back and change the formatting to 14 or, well, whatever. So it look, oh, it's look bigger than that, because it is going to increase all the size, all the text size, current theme format. Let's go back to the text. It should be a 12. And yeah, it is proper. So you can increase the size in this way, or else you can change the color as per your requirement, which is available inside the here. Now next one, that is the next chart, again column chart and unit sold payment methods. Male, female, use down, explain. This is what the basically, I think this is customer first total revenue and mobile model. So mobile model wise, I would like to display the gender reports. So I'm going to add a column chart. I'm going to drag it inside the x-axis. I'm going to drag it gender. Then again, what is the next one? That is total revenue. I'm going to generate the total revenue, drag it here. And inside Legion, I'm going to drag it mobile model. No, I think mobile models will be at the top and customer gender should be in the Legion. Then I'll get this report in this way. Okay, but I think here I have applied the filter on it because it is showing only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me check the filter apply. Yes, top 5. Top 5. I wanted to show only top 5 model, not all the model names. Okay, I want to go for the top 5. So let's go back to the mobile model. Here it is. We can apply the filter, you know that, but it is, there are lot of mobile model. I want to show the reports gender wise as well, but only top 5 models. So I will go back to the mobile model filter option. And here it is. I'll go for the top and top bottom analysis can be make here. And inside here in the total revenue, by value total revenue, apply filter. Now you are getting only top 5 model with gender wise. And if you don't want gender wise, you can remove the gender wise It is only for the mobile. It is up to you how you want to display that particular reports. So you're getting mobile types wise all the details. Even you can make the similar formatting that I made it previously. And the one more chart, that is units sold by payment method, it is pie chart. So here it is, I'm adding a pie chart, and again, units sold by payment methods. So payment methods will be here, units sold, that total quantity, and we are getting that report. So if you want the similar formatting, let's go back here, format painter, and click here. Okay, it's now in front of you. So this way, guys, you can create your complete dashboard. And not just that, in for one page, you can go and add multiple pages inside here and create your own dashboards. Now, suppose take an example. I'm going to make it duplicate. I've added this. This is what month wise, whatever maybe. Now I would like to do one thing. I would like to add a link of this particular. Now this is my first page and I want to add somewhere button. If I click on that button, I should go back to this month wise table. So I would like to add one button here, insert shapes. And I'm going to add, suppose this button. This is shape, okay. And I don't have any place, but let's add a next chart. I'm adding one text box. I'm clicking on text box now, guys. And next. I'm adding this next text. Increase little bit size to 28. Oh, what happened to this? 24. And I'm going to put this next to here. Sorry, while moving text box, you just have to click three dots. But I don't want to put this background. What happened? Instead of this, I will do one thing. I have the shapes actually. I'll remove this one. This is going to make a very actually time consuming. Let's go back to the insert, add the image. We have the shapes. Let's add anyone from the data. Let's add this icon. Oh, we are not having arrow shape actually. Let's add from here. Insert, shape, arrow. That's it. Okay. So it is going to help you or next. You can add the text also next dashboard. But how to link this particular? Click on this and click on icon action. Enable the action. And once you want to link a particular thing, so go for page navigation. Page navigation and destination will be month-wise. Look at it, what I did. I've selected a shape inside the format shape or inside the shape option. I'll get action, enable action. Click on this page navigation and select the month-wise. And now look at here. If I click on the control button and click on this, I'll get to the next. I'll go to the next one. This is the next page that I'm opening right now. It should be different. Then I do one thing. I would remove this. I would like to remove this one. And I'll do one thing. Only I'll remove this one. I'll keep this one. So this is what we are having. Look at here. I'm clicking on this now by pressing control button. Directly you cannot click. But on Power BI Publish, you can directly click. But for inside Power BI, you need to press the control button and then click. Then you can jump to the next dashboard that we are having. Okay, now I want to come back to the main dashboard. So I'll add the home button here. So for home button, click on the again action, enable this, same. Click page navigation and click page one. So this is our page one, here it is. Now you can click control and click, you'll come back here. So this way, guys, you can create your dashboard and you can add this link. So far got it. Now I want to tell you how to publish this dashboard. Got it, guys? Now I'm going to publish this report on Power BI service and I would like to show you how to do it. So we have created our own dashboard and how to create it. We have learned it, but it's time to publish this dashboard. And of course, we can use the DAX formula to get the insights. I just showed you a proper insights from here only. But if you want that MTD, YTD should be applied here, then go ahead and apply that MTD, YTD and show the result, comparing to last year and previous month and previous week, like this. So you can show all these reports in different dashboards. Okay. Now, yes, Gurudev Kapoorji, thank you very much for joining today's session. I think so. You this was the last session. That's why you are joined, right? You were not present in the previous session. I think so, Gurudev ji. Okay, no problem at all. No problem. But attend this live session, because if you are attending this, you will able to get the certificate too. The exam will be conducted on Saturday. But now it's time to publish this report on a Power BI services. Okay. No problem. No problem, Gurudev ji. Thank you very much for joining this session. Very good. Okay. So now let's save this first. You need to save this file. Always remember, whenever you are importing data from CSV, whenever you are importing data from Excel, the data is less than 1 GB, then Power BI will attach that data with that PBIX file. Okay. So now click on the file and click on the save as. Means you need to save this your dashboard. So I'm clicking on the browse and I'm going to click save this Power BI live batch final project. I'm going to add this final project. Final project. Final project. Now you need to create this dashboard, guys. One more thing, you need to create this dashboard, and what you have to do, I'll let you know. But first you need to create this dashboard and save this as a PBIX. This is what I'm going to save, this particular final dashboard. So once you save this, look at here. Once you save this, you need to upload your dashboard on Power BI services. So here it is. I would like to show you my Power BI service page. Okay. I have login on Power BI services. If you don't have account, I would recommend you need to create your account on Power BI services now. But problem is here, biggest problem is Power BI services. It's paid tool. It's not free. Right? Now you might be asking, sir, if it is paid tool, how can we get practice on it? You don't have to practice on it because it's not that much big deal. Whenever you are going for a job, your company will offer you a Power BI services, because that's why they are using Power BI, and they might be having a paid tool. Okay. And I'm also trying to connect with Microsoft, that enterprises account, but still they are not giving us a student license. Actually, I'm looking for the student license, but still we are working on it. In future, maybe Microsoft will accept our request. So what you have to do, you have to enter your business email, not the personal email, guys. What do I mean by business email? You guys might be like aware about it. If it is not, then let me tell you. Business email means it should be having like with your company name domain. Company name means like if you're working with the TCS, then your email ID will be gurudev@tcs.com, right, Gurudevji? Your Sivani@tcs.com, Prashant @tcs.com, like this. So you guys are working on that with that company, so you'll get that. Even if you have your own domain, like we people have our own domain, like we are dealing with several domains. That's why we are having our personal email, sorry, that is work email. And with that help, we are going to show you right now. On personal email, Power BI services are free for 2 months. Means not personal email, I mean to say work email. For first 2 months, there will be a free account. And after that, you need to pay $10 on monthly basis if you're using that Power BI services for a business purpose. But you need to have your own work email, right? Then only you can able to log in on this and then upload work on Power BI services. Now, as I told you, I have the work email and I have created, look at here now, let me show you my workplace. This is my workplace now, look at here. The once you log in on Power BI, you will get this workplace. Every now and then I upload. Previously, I was having another one. There is like I uploaded. There are a lot of dashboards. So here it is. I have this particular dashboard. Okay. So now let me tell you, there is a new item. Look at that. There is a new item option. you can create your new folder or something like new folder over here. So let me create new folder. You can add a new folder for each dashboard. It's up to you if you want to separate the report as a folder wise. You can add a new item from here also. Inside new item there is lot of options. You can add data flow, then mirrors, snowflake scheme. These are the things of related to data, but for now I'm going to create a new folder, and this is what I'm naming as a final project project of live batch. Okay. So I'm creating a one folder first. Once I create the folder, I'll open that folder and I'll click on this upload and click on this browse, and let me upload that file. So whatever the file that we have just saved, I'm going to upload it. Once you upload your file, look at here. This is one way. Again, another way, inside the Power BI, I haven't logged in actually inside the Power BI, but inside the Power BI, you can log in your account by clicking on the sign in button. So once you log in from here, it will allow you publish option from here. So once you click on publish, this report will automatically save on workplace if you sign in here. But I haven't signed in because I want to show the demo to student, and that's why I haven't signed in. You need to sign in with the same account, which is workplace account. So you can do these things with two way. One, it is you can publish from Power BI directly, and another is once you save Power BI file, you can upload it here. Now click on the report. Here it is your report, and this is your what, your data modeling. That is the data coming along with your file. So report is online right now, and here it is. Now just click on this option. You don't need to press the control now. In Power BI desktop, you need to press the control and click on this button, but here in the Power BI services you don't need. You are getting your entire dashboard. Now how to share with anyone? Here it is option export. You can export into the PowerPoint, PDF, Analyze, Excel, but here it is another option, share. Oh, why it is not available for me? Let me go with the file. Okay, here it is. This is not available for me. Here, let's go to the file. Look at here, file, and click on this embed report and say publish to web. From here, I will definitely, even I can generate the code. Okay, so I'll go to the publish to web. Here it is. It will ask you to embed your report. Yes, continue and publish. Now I'll get a link. I'll get two different links. Basically, first is link and second is the code. To this code, if you copy this code and paste inside your backend of website, it will help you to publish. This is basically, you need to embed your particular project inside on your website, then only get this code. So you can add this code in your HTML page, and then or else backend to the website, WordPress or something like that. And then this will be displayed on your website. This code will help you display your interactive report. But this is what the report that you can share with anyone. Copy. How to get it? Look at here. I'll click on the file, then I click on the embed, then I'll click on the publish. Now I'm not getting any instruction because I pass with that extra instruction. I'll click on the copy and I'll share with you guys. So I'm sharing dashboard with you. Just open it right now. Just open it. Is it sure or not? Let me know. It's a very easy. Look at here. I'm doing the similar thing here. I'm waving that report into the browser. Yes. Opening. Yes. Now open. Now you might be asking, sir, it is okay. How to publish on PowerPoint? Let's go ahead and click on the export PowerPoint. Once you click on export PowerPoint, open in PowerPoint. Click on open in PowerPoint and say again open. So it will download a new PowerPoint presentation inside the download folder and will display your entire dashboard inside PowerPoint in an interactive way. Yes, it is open. I think so. At the left side. No, it's opening. Still opening. Wait for a second. It's opening now. Look at it is fetching the data from the web. Got it, guys? Look at that. Now let me publish it. And you can see now. This is completely interactive, guys. Look at here. I think you guys got it. Okay. So as I'm showing you that it is completely interactive and it is in PowerPoint now. Escape. I'll press escape button. So look at here now. This is, it is showing something like this again. This is what you can see. So far, we have learned about how to publish our report, how to create our dashboard. This is Power BI services. Now I'm trying to connect with Microsoft to create basically school account. There is a school account option on Microsoft, but still, since we are not having that organization must be recognized with the like government must be given us that is this is just a college or university, then we'll apply for the Microsoft student account. And if we got student account, we'll let you know definitely, guys, and we'll share with you your ID, and then you can publish your own report on desktop too. Means you can share with your dashboard anyone. For now, I will recommend you whatever you are just creating, upload that particular drive and on just give me a second. Upload that particular things on Google Drive or something else. Like create dashboard in a proper way. Take the images or screenshot of this dashboard, and also share your dashboard on LinkedIn by writing. Like look at here. I would like to show you right now. If you create the dashboard inside the Power BI, take a screenshot using snipping tool. You can use ShareX screenshot tool, but I have taken already screenshot, but you can take a screenshot from new option. This is the old one that I have taken. So this is our new dashboard. I'm clicking on new and I'm dragging it again. So this is the dashboard that I got in the screenshot. Now I'll do one thing. I'll copy this or I'll save this. First, let's save it. You can upload it directly on LinkedIn, but before uploading on LinkedIn, let me show you. Save this dashboard and yes. Okay. Now you need to write some script. So Chat GPT, take a help from Chat GPT. So I'm having Chat GPT 3.5. Chat GPT will allow you to upload the images. And I think so on the day basis, it will allow you only 2 to 3 images. But let's see, I have an image and I'm going to upload that image on Chat GPT. Here it is. Okay. I'm going to write, I want to write LinkedIn post that I have learned about dashboard. I have learned about dashboard, or I have created, sorry, I have created, I have learned to create, I have learned to create about dashboard inside Power BI by pulling data from CSV file. CSV file. Also, I have learned to clean the data using Power Query ETL tool. So give me the script as a you can write. So give me the script and so give me a script. Also mention in some insights that I have shown so in above image. Shown in above image. Let's go and drop it. Let's have a look this. Here is the link info. Just created my dashboard in Power BI. I am thrilled to share I have recently learned how to create dynamic dashboard in Power BI by pulling data from CSV file and using Power Query ETL tool to clean and transform data. It's construct the proper sentences for you guys. Even not the sentences, it give you key insights from the dashboard. Also, it is what kind of dashboard that you are designing, because it is going to read your image and even the proper relevant tags. Just copy these particular things. And let's go back to the LinkedIn profile. This is my dummy LinkedIn. Actually, I'm going to open that dummy LinkedIn here. No, this is not dummy. This is my proper LinkedIn actually. Let me open my dummy, which I have created dummy LinkedIn for to teach LinkedIn topics. So I like to show that dummy account, and I'm going to publish that this particular, how to do it. Look at it now. Let me open my LinkedIn. I think I have opened several files here. Now let's get, this is Sanjay Dore. This is not my account actually. This is dummy account that I have. I'm going to add this post, create a post, and I'm going to paste this. While pasting, adjust this particular space by pressing enter, enter, enter. And you can do some sort of like customization. If you want, you can add some links, whatever things, and click on this add media, click on the upload one. And every now and then, whatever you learn, you need to add the things. Again, where from you learn, that you need to mention inside here. So you can mention, you can tag to us directly @skill course. You can tag to us skill course like this, or else you can tag to me @Satish Dhawale. You can add tag like this, Satish Dhawale. Why my name is not coming? Satish Dhawale. I am not available on LinkedIn. @Satish Dhawale. Okay, here it is. Right. So we need to put down underscore over there. So you'll get it like this. So add like this. Also, you can add some tags, or also you can mention that I will learn from skill course or Satish Dhawale, whatever, like where from you learn from YouTube, you learn from, you can mention it and post this like this. So once you post it every now and then whenever the recruiter is shortlisted to you guys, then he will realize that you have done so many work on that particular thing, and that's why they are going to pick you the next time. So this is what the published post will be display, I think. So let me refresh it. This is my dummy account and I just published the post. I don't spend time to write this post. I have taken the help from ChatGPT. This is the post will look like this. And you may have came across with my LinkedIn profile. There are a lot of people are doing similar things. If you type Satish Dhawale skill course, or else if you search on Satish Dhawale skill course, I'm going to search on this only. So you'll able to see the peoples are dropping nowadays, like they are dropping every now and then something new. Look at here. I'm sharing this post right now. That's why it's coming. So I have to delete it. So other people will follow this account otherwise. So this is what they are like getting certificates. So if you achieve any certificate, whatever, you should mention, you should show your achievement somewhere else, guys. Okay. And that is very important. That is very important. So I think, yes. Is there any issue? Yeah. We have done our today's session. Let me announce about the exams. Or can you show other pages, main project, and try out them also. I'll share if I'll share some link with you guys every now and then if I create something for you. Don't worry about it. Yes, Jayant Patilji, I'll let you know about that also. RLS row level security is also important, but thing is that I'll cover another in session and I'll share the recording with you. Don't worry about it. Now there is a time constraints, and that's why we are going to close our today's sessions itself. But let me announce that the exam will be conduct on, guys. All the peoples are here. Okay. So exam will be conduct on this Saturday, 12 noon. Okay, and that will be a 30 minutes exam. I'll be there. I'll be check all the peoples are attending or not, and the whoever that are going to attend that exams, if that person is getting more than 40% marks, will get a certificates. That will be okay. That will be again objective MCQ type questions, and you will get instant certificates. That will be a digital certificate you are getting, and you can share that certificate on LinkedIn because it is ISO certified and all. Next thing, there will be a three bonuses. First three people will get the special bonuses, and rest 7 people will get something bonus again. But what will be the bonus, that I am going to announce that on Tuesday again. So always remember, if you are coming on the into the rank of top 3, then you will get definitely something free from me, and that you will come to know on Saturday itself. So if you are ready to attend the exam, then just put down ready for the exam. Just put down. And there are more topics, JNG. I know that there are more topics inside the Power BI. You can share with me, guys. Okay. So here I'm going to share with email ID info@satishdhawale.com. That is the email ID that I yesterday also share. Ready? Everyone is ready. All the best for your exam, Prashant, Vikas, Gayatri, Nitikesh, Subhankar Das, M. Pratyush, Himanshu Kumar, Imran, all the people should be ready and be active. Create your online credibility, create your GitHub project, create your LinkedIn profile, create your ATS friendly resume. All these things are very important in order to get a proper job and MNC. 12 noon, Gayatri ji. Ready for the exam, 12 noon. 12 बजे मिलेंगे सैटरडे को, दोपहर को, रात को नहीं. रात को भूत लोग एग्जाम देते, वी आर नॉट. ओके, खतरनाक तरीके से. यस. And with that being said, I'd like to tell one story. Last 5 minutes बचे हैं, तो एक कहानी सुना देता हूँ, हिंदी में सुनाता हूँ. If anyone not, like, it is compulsory to attend on Saturday because it's Dashera and it's holiday. But if there is a planning, if you are going away from like your house, or you will be out of town, then there we are going to give you a chance again to attend the exam. But we'll inform you if you drop the email, and you need to drop the email on info@satishdhawale.com. If you are not attending exam on the Saturday, then we haven't like set the exam schedule again, next schedule. And if those who are fail in that exam will get after 15 days exam, like will get a chance to reattempt the exam after 15 days, because there will be a period to enhance yourself. info@satishdhawale.com. You need to write the email, but not now. On Saturday, if you are not able to attend that Saturday exam, then on the Saturday afternoon, you just write the email, sir, please allow me to for the next schedule. Then we'll let you know about the next schedule. Yes, Rushikesh ji. Yes, you have already mentioned that yesterday, and I have given you info@satishdhawale.com email ID. So we'll let you know the next schedule. Then maybe there are 1 or 2 people, maybe due to festival, there will be you're not able to attend the exam. So no worries, we will give you a chance, but you need to raise the complaint in a proper way. Certificate you will get instant. If you fail, you have to attend again 15 days, and then you'll get certificate. After 15 days, if you pass the exam. Actually, Jayant Patil ji, on Saturday, I'll let you know about that, because I have something surprise, and in that you'll get something if you are in the top 10. If you are in the top 10, okay. So don't worry about it. Okay, let me tell you one story now. Do you want to listen story? Because I used to tell a story in my offline classes when I used to take offline classes. और क्या होता है, एक कहानी हमारी जिंदगी बनाती है, और ऐसी बहुत सारी कहानियां जो मैंने सुनी उसकी वजह से मेरी जिंदगी बन गई है. सो यू हैव टू बिलीव समवेयर इन द स्टोरीज ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू नीड टू बिलीव द थिंग्स एंड देन ओनली इट विल हैपन्स फॉर यू. अगर आप सोचते नहीं है या विश्वास नहीं करते, तो वो चीज़ें आपके लिए नहीं हो सकती कभी भी. एंड आई वॉज ऑलवेज थिंकिंग आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम समथिंग, द पर्सन that can be recognized by the world, that by the world, at least few people in my domain that can be recognized me as the person, as a tutor, as a content creator. And now I'm here, I am in front of you. The story was very interesting. Might be you guys are listen. हमारे जो प्रोग्रेस होती है, उसका प्रोग्रेस का जो काटा कौन रहता है. प्रोग्रेस का काटा मतलब समझ गए ना आप. प्रोग्रेस का काटा मतलब हमारी प्रोग्रेस होती है तो हमें रोकता कौन है. तो ये इसके ऊपर स्टोरी कहानी है, हमें कौन रोकता है. तो एक कंपनी में, माइट बी लिसन, आपने कभी सुना होगा, एक कंपनी में क्या होता है कि कंपनी की ग्रोथ बहुत डाउन चली रहती, बहुत बहुत नीचे, एमएनसी थी बड़ी, और उनकी डाउन ग्रोथ बहुत डाउन होती है। और वो उनके सीनियर्स को रियलाइज होता है कि भाई यार कुछ तो हो रहा है, गड़बड़ हो रहा है। तो वो क्या करते हैं, सारे इंप्लॉयज को एक मेल डाल देते हैं, सीनियर जूनियर सारे इंप्लॉय को एक ईमेल डाल देते हैं कि भाई यार कल है ना, आपको एक जगह पे आना है जहाँ पे उस आदमी की, मतलब कंपनी की इंप्लॉयज की भी ग्रोथ रुक गई थी। तो इम्प्लॉयज भी सोच रहे थे, और वो मेल डालते हैं सीनियर कि भाई यार आपको वहां पे आना है, जो वो आपकी कंपनी, आपके ग्रोथ में रुकावट बनने वाला जो था ना, आपकी ग्रोथ में रुकावट बनने वाला जो आदमी है वो मर गया है, उसकी डेथ हो गई है, और उसके फ्यूनरल पे आपको आना है। और कल सुबह सुबह फ्यूनरल है, रात को मेल डाल देता, कल सुबह सुबह फ्यूनरल है, 8 बजे आपको वहां पे प्रेजेंट रहना है। तो सब लोग सोचते यार कौन होगा वो आदमी, मतलब सब लोग थोड़ा सा उदास भी होते हैं स्टार्टिंग में, यार कोई डेथ हो गई है। बट बाद में बोलते हैं कि यार अच्छा हुआ ना, वो मेरी ग्रोथ के लिए रुकावट बना था, और सबके लिए सेम ईमेल डाला था। तो सब सोच रहे थे अच्छा हुआ, इसकी वजह से मेरी ग्रोथ रुकी थी, अब मेरी ग्रोथ हो जाएगी। एंड एवरीवन वाज थिंकिंग लाइक दैट कि भाई यार कुछ तो अच्छा है, चलो ठीक है, वो मर गया, मर गया, अच्छा चलो चल कल सुबह हो जाते हैं। एंड सब लोग आते हैं उसे देखने के लिए, बोलते उसे देखना है अगर आपको, तो ईमेल में लिखा रहता है लास्ट में, देखना है आपको तो आप ऑफिस में ये लोकेशन पे आ जाओ, ऑफिस के आजू बाजू में लोकेशन उन्होंने दिया था, और वहाँ पे बुला लेते हैं। और सब लोग आते हैं, यहाँ पे सब लोग एक जगह पे खड़े रहते हैं, तो बोलते कि अंदर एक रूम में ये रखा है, जो कॉफिन रहता है ना, जहाँ पे डेड बॉडी रखती है, जैसे वो क्रिश्चियन लोग रखते हैं, तो उसमें डेड बॉडी है अंदर। एंड उसके अंदर आपको उस डेड बॉडी, वो डेड बॉडी को देखना है, तो उस कैबिन में जाना है, और वो कैबिन में जाने के बाद वहां से उस दूसरे रास्ते से बाहर निकल जाना है। तो एक एक करके जाकर देखेगा। तो सब लोग एक एक करके जाके जाते हैं और देखते हैं, और बाहर आते हैं दूसरे रास्ते से, और फिर आके बैठते हैं। सब लोग आके हॉल में बैठते हैं वापिस वहां पे। और सब लोग जब जाते हैं और उस कफिन में देखते हैं, तो उनको रियलाइज होता है कि वो कौन था। तो उस कफिन में किसी की डेड बॉडी नहीं थी, उस कफिन में था एक आईना लगा हुआ। राइट, मराठी में आरसा बोलते हैं, मिरर, यस प्रति जी, यू आर राइट। सो वो मिरर लगा हुआ था। एंड वो मिरर को देखते हैं और समझ जाते हैं कि सीनियर हमें क्या कहना चाहते हैं। एंड जब उनको कॉन्फ्रेंस में ऑफिस बुलाया जाता है, तो सीनियर बताते हैं कि मुझे क्या कहना है आप समझ गए होंगे, मतलब अपनी रुकावट का, या क्या बोलते हैं ना, अपनी प्रोग्रेस का सबसे बड़ा कांटा हम ही है। तो आप जहाँ पे रुके हो, वो आपकी सोच की वजह से रुके हो। अगर आप अपनी सोच को बदल दोगे तो आप अपनी लाइफ में कुछ आगे कर पाओगे। तो इसीलिए चेंज योर थॉट, चेंज योर थिंकिंग, ये मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये बहुत सारे ये लोग कह रहे हैं जिन्होंने ये बुक किताबें लिखी है। आई यूज टू रीड एवरी नाउ एंड देन, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम रीडिंग दिस बुक, एक्चुअली अंदर रख दिया मैंने बेडरूम में लगता है। वो पिच एनीथिंग, एक ऑरेन काफ का बुक है, बहुत मस्त है अगर आप सेल्स या मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ आगे लाइफ में करना चाहते हैं। बिकॉज एवरीबडी शुड नो हाउ टू पिच एनीथिंग, हाउ टू गेट फ्रेम कंट्रोल। राइट, तो वो एक बुक में पढ़ रहा हूँ, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, मेरे 50 पेजेस हो गए। आई विल रिकमेंड दैट बुक। एंड अगर आपकी लाइफ में चेंज करना है, तो एक बुक होता है, एक बुक है बेसिकली, ये यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है कि किसी को पता नहीं अभी। वो माई चीज करके, हाँ यहाँ पे ये है। नहीं, ये 1 मिनट मैनेजर है, इनका ये 1 मिनट मैनेजर का ये जिन्होंने लिखा है 1 मिनट मैनेजर, स्टीफन। आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू दैट, या है। हियर इट इज गाइस, हु माई चीज, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल द गाइस कि भाई यार ये बुक पढ़ लो आप। ये बुक जो है, हु माई चीज, मस्त स्टोरी है, हिम हॉ एंड मतलब 4 लिटिल माउस की स्टोरी है यहाँ पे। तो वो कैसे उन्होंने अपने लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस की है, या प्रोग्रेस से कैसे रुक जाते हैं लोग, उसके बारे में स्टोरी है, काफ़ी अच्छी है और काफ़ी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड है। सो गो ahead एंड रीड दिस बुक, लाइक 40-50 पेजेस है खाली। ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग फॉर टुडे सेशन। इट इज़ इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हु माई चीज, it is available in English language, and it's very basically very good book. I have read several books, but this is one of my best. And again, there are few books I'll recommend you later on if you are guys very enthusiastic to reading, because reading makes you think differently. So that's why you should read. Thank you very much, Joanne. Do you have any questions? You can ask yourself now. Sorry, you can ask me to me, not yourself. No lectures because I have actually corporate sessions from date, and tomorrow I have to create the PPTs and all the slides for that corporate session. So the from day Wednesday I have another session. Oh, sorry, on the day from 10th October, actually on Thursday I think so. Yeah, from Thursday I have another session. Yes. Yes, directly meet you on Saturday on the exam day. Book name is Whom I Cheese. That you should read it right now. There are so many books, but I should not mention right now. Just go. Thank you, Guru Devji. Thank you. And one more thing, if you guys are like do some support to me, if you want to do some support, you can guys record the your review video and you can share with me. Share with me a review video like Gurudev Kapoor ji, that our batch सद्दाम सर का उन्होंने बैच अटेंड किया था एंड ही हैज शेयर द रिव्यू विद अस. लेट मी शेयर दैट रिव्यू विद यू. लेट मी शो यू कैसे उन्होंने रिव्यू दिया है. सो यू गाइज कैन गिव अ रिव्यू. इंग्लिश में देना है, हिंदी में देना है, इट इज़ अप टू यू. आप जैसे भी हिंदी में रिव्यू देंगे तो भी चलेगा. बट एक क्या होता है कि पीपल विल कम टू नो कि भाई यार हाँ ठीक है, यार ये है जेन्यून कोर्सेज. क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, देयर आर फ्यू पीपल्स इन द मार्केट दोज हु आर मेकिंग स्पैम. दे आर लाइक कमिंग विथ something on laptop. You may be gone through with that ad. Oh, do you know how much time will it take to make this dashboard? And then the another person is saying, I'll take around 5 to 6 hours, and he's saying, I'll make this within 5 minutes. No, guys, let me tell you the fact. No AI tool has designed to create the dashboard within 5 minutes. Of course, ChatGPT 4 creating dashboards, but it's creating only the images, not the interactive form. Okay. And this is what the biggest problem we guys, and there are, look, let me share something with you. Let me share my screen as well as I would like to share the review. Just give me 1 minute to, yeah, bear. Just I would like to, Gurudev Kapoor ji has given a very good review. Thank you very much, Gurudev ji. He has attended one of our batch actually. Saddam sir has taken, I think so, Saddam sir Python and Python batch. Where is the review? Yes.
I really want to thank.
Let me share the sound with you guys. Maybe you will not able to listen the sound.
I really want to thank you, Saddam sir. The way you teaches Python, no one can teaches like you. क्योंकि पाइथन बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है. बहुत पाइथन सुनते हैं ना, डर सा लगता है कि हाँ भाई कोडिंग में क्या होने वाला है. बट नहीं, सर ने बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत प्यार से अच्छे से ये कंसेप्ट समझा कर पाइथन को इजी बनाया. मैं कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट हूँ और मुझे पाइथन का, कह रहा हूँ, पी भी नहीं पता था, ना कोडिंग का सी. अगर मैं सीख सकता हूँ तो आप भी सीख सकते हो. बिकॉज क्योंकि सर ने इस तरीके से समझाया है, शायद ही कोई ऐसा समझाए. एकदम स्क्रैच से समझाया है, उसकी पूरी ABCD तक समझाई है. डजेंट मैटर कि आप कौन से बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करते हो, वाइदर आपके पास साइंस थी, कॉमर्स थे, आर्ट.
तो इन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया रिव्यू दिया. थैंक यू गुरुदेव जी आर देयर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हाँ यस. तो वो बहुत सारे ऐड, अगर आप यहाँ पे जाकर भी देखोगे तो बहुत सारे ऐड आपको दिखाई देंगे जिसमें यूट्यूब के ऊपर बस यूट्यूब के ऊपर ऐड दे के वो लोग अर्निंग करना चाहते. जस्ट गो देयर एंड यू विल कम टू नो देर आर सो मेनी एड्स. अगर आप कोई एक्सेल का वीडियो सर्च करते हो तो उनका ऐड आ जाता है, 15 मिनट में ये करो, 2 मिनट में ये करो. And you just attend our 9 rupees, 99 rupees, whatever they are doing, I don't know. But share your review with us. If you like ना, अगर थोड़ा सा टाइम दे पाते हो तो it is really help the other people to understand these are the people that providing genuine content in the market, that we people are providing, like Saddam sir, me, and our team is also providing genuine content. So test link will you will get on the same day or before 2 to 3 minutes only, Pratyush ji. On the Saturday, we'll share with on a group and we will get on the same day. Reviews, not the previews actually. Previews means just put your camera in front of you and just record it. Thank you, Gurudev ji. With that being said, I'm going to close today's session and thank you very much attending, guys. See you on the Saturday on the same day. Okay. And if you could share your review, if you are interested, info@sathishdhawale.com is the email ID, or else we will provide some link on Saturday. Then you can put it review on that also. We'll drop a link in the WhatsApp group if you are interested to share your video. So thank you very much. Okay, bye. And we'll share all the recordings in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry about it. Send the recording. So recording, let me share with you right now again the link of recording. Nitikesh ji, already we have shared the group, but here it is. We have created one playlist. Inside that playlist, you will get all the link. So let me share all the link. Just give me 1 second. It is not coughing. I opened several tab and my system is almost going to be hang. Okay. Let me close all this. Yeah. I'll share the recordings, all the recordings that is in a one playlist. So go and take this playlist. Check this playlist actually. Day 15 is not available actually. Unfortunately, it wasn't recorded due to technical issues. And in day 15, it's just a table that I have explained in a format way. But if it is possible, I'll add the separate, I'll record the separate lessons on that table formatting and I'll add it. Okay. Don't worry about it. I'll add in the same playlist and we'll let you know about it. Day 15 was, unfortunately, it was not recorded because due to technical issues. Ashik ji. Thank you very much. With that being said, Pratyuju, Pratyush, and all the people like Anil Kumar, Amir Qureshi, Ankit Mehra, Ashik Ahmad, Ayush Prajapati, Sandesh Kumar, BJ, Deepak Jain, Ganesh Saru, Gayatri ji, Guna, Gurudev Kapoor, then GVGG, something like that, Hema, Hetal, Imran, Jairaj, Lalita, Mavir ji, good. Yes, thank you very much. Nitikesh Patil, Pratyush, Prashant, Pratik Bole, Prerna, Purna, then Salman, Santosh, yeah, Satesh, okay, Saurabh, Shekhar, Shivani, Shravani, everyone. Thank you, Vikas, Swapnil, Yugandhara, Sandeep, Sujoy, Subhankar, Srilekha, and Shravani. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.